White noise. There are machines that play white noise when you're asleep. But there's also machines or devices that make white noise. The silence will kill you. Oh, yeah. So there's this little in the speakers that they learn that tight office buildings, people put something wrong. I'm not hearing anything. And if like a person's not hearing anything, they're not hearing anything. So they put over the speakers this little noise in the background. Elevator noise. Yes, music. You're in a tight place and they play music because to keep the person, you have to have something there or you don't hear anything. I'm right in a room right now that has no noise in it. Nothing. It's it's dead silence. Of course, maybe I'm dead already, so I'll call for music. Uh, but it's there. And without sound, person who can hear without sound, something goes wrong. It's kind of like keeping a solitary confinement. There go mad behind you.